How to sign out of your Spotify account. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can sign out of your Spotify account. So let's just go ahead and open our Spotify. When you open your Spotify, guys, so as you can see, guys, this is my Spotify. So to log out of your Spotify account, just go ahead and click on the certain icon showing above your screen, guys. So let's just go ahead and click on that. So when you click on that, guys, sign out, just go ahead and scroll down, guys. Scroll down to the last page, click on where it says logout. And when you click on logout, it's going to log you out of your Spotify account. So this is how you can actually sign out of your Spotify account. If you really want to delete the entire account from your phone, you can just go ahead and go to your settings. When you go to your settings, click on where it says password. So when you click on where it says password, when you click on password, just go ahead and search for where it says. So just go ahead and search for Spotify. So if you have a saved account of Spotify right in there, you're going to automatically delete it from there, guys. I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.